Hello, today you will learn about the Internet of Things. IoT is a groundbreaking technological paradigm that has reshaped how we interact with the physical world and how interconnected devices communicate autonomously. IoT's fundamental components are devices and physical objects with sensors and communication capabilities, such as smartphones and industrial machinery. Next component is connectivity, that is internet-based link between IoT devices utilizing technologies like Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and 5G data. The third component is sensors, which is used for measuring variables like temperature, humidity, and motion. Another component is data processing, which is used for analyzing IoT data than automation and action. User interfaces like mobile apps or web portals enabling remote device monitoring and control, and security measures like encryption and authentication to safeguard IoT data. IoT technology evolves. Its reach and impact continue to expand in new opportunities and challenges across various facets of our lives. Thank you so much to you for watching this video. Please subscribe and like our channel. Please share this video with your friends.